Hi there, welcome. My name is Jim Cohen and I'm the instructor for the class, and this is the introduction video for the class. So thanks for continuing your education through online learning. I know that not everyone prefers or works best through online education. Also, I know that there are many folks out there that think that this course might be difficult. They perhaps don't remember all of their pre-calculus skills. Other folks don't identify as tech savvy. They may be concerned about using online applications such as Canvas, WebAssign, Zoom, Desmos, Wolfram Alpha, perhaps others. Well, please let me know how I can help. That's one of my main jobs, is to help you fill in whatever gaps that there are in your math or tech knowledge and experience. So I don't necessarily think I know everything, but I will do my best to help you, and I will use whatever resources I have available if I don't know exactly how to answer your question. All right, so here's how the class works. We want to know what the assignments are, what the resources are, things like that. That's what I'm trying to get through in this introduction video. What I'm displaying here is Canvas. That's where our course lives. This is where all the handouts and information, all the different assignments that you'll have to be doing, they all live on Canvas. So that's a good place to check in. Make sure that you're doing all of the things for each week. You'll also have ability here to discuss strategies and to communicate with other students and your teacher. And of course, it has the details of what you need to do and turn in each week. There are some navigation tabs over here on the side. The home page is what we're looking at. This is a link for my Zoom room if you want to get tutoring or if you want to visit the classroom, the Zoom classroom. This is a link to the LMC Math Lab. They have lots of tutors there that are trained by our own staff, and they're an excellent resource. They're open Monday through Saturday. NetTutor is another tutoring service. It's a private tutoring service, so we don't really have anything to do with their tutor training, but you can schedule appointments, which is nice, as opposed to the Math Lab, which is drop-in only. And here's a link to WebAssign, which is primarily where you'll be doing the textbook homework for the class. And WebAssign is something that you'll have to sign up for. It's free for the first 14 days. When you sign up for it, you'll have to go to the WebAssign and you'll click on this enter class key right here. You'll enter the class key as according to the instructions on Canvas. And then once you've entered that and you are ready, you got your email address and things like that, then you can just sign in from that point further. You don't have to enter the class key each time. The one thing I ask you about using WebAssign is that when you enter the class key, you can choose whatever username you want. Try to choose a username that I can identify as you. Cool Kid 77 is great, but I don't know who that is, so I don't know who to assign grades to if I can't determine who you are from your WebAssign username. So kind of keep that in mind. Thanks. Okay, so back to Canvas here. The entire math class here is already displayed here on the home page. You can see here are the week 1 assignments, and below that are week 2 assignments. Nothing's hidden. There are no separate modules defined. Everything is hot linked, so you can just go through week by week. There's a lot of intimidation for online classes, especially for an online math class. It can be quite challenging with all of the work to be done and the lack of regular sort of face-to-face communication. It can be easy to fall behind. The best defense to not falling behind is to stay many days ahead of the due dates. The way I've designed the course is that actually can be done pretty straightforward. The assignments that are due are lectured on and done the week previous. So week 1, which is what we're in right now, there's not a lot of homework done because there was no previous week. And the first set of assignments, which are the first chapter assignments in the textbook, except for the very first intro one, as well as the first lab assignment, are all due next week. So I would highly encourage you not to wait till next week to do those, because we're doing all that work this week. You can finish all of that this weekend and then stay several days, if not a whole week ahead of the schedule. And of course, you're always welcome to work even farther ahead, and I will help you do so if you definitely want to do that. And you can finish as much as you want so that if any kind of emergency comes up, you will never risk missing due dates. All right, the due dates that are listed here are indeed the final due date, so make sure that you don't sort of try them that same day. That's the last day to turn that kind of stuff in. Okay. I would recommend looking over the syllabus. It said so in the welcome letter, and I'll say so again. The syllabus has, here's the syllabus link right here. There are several links for the syllabus. The syllabus, it's good to review for any college class, math class included. It has all the details on grading, submitting work, expectations, all that kind of stuff. It's really good to make note of what you're supposed to do and how to get a good grade in the class you're taking. Back to WebAssign. WebAssign is the product you have to purchase for this class. You only need to purchase a 1 semester access to WebAssign. It has all of the electronic portions of the homework. It has a searchable electronic text. WebAssign has videos for every single textbook section. It has PowerPoint slides for every textbook section. It has demonstration videos for lots and lots of example problems, and WebAssign also has the gradebook for this class. So WebAssign is you're going to be visiting there every time you're working on homework for the class. There is actually other homework for the class that's not on WebAssign. There are downloadable PDFs called lab assignments. More on that in the week 1 overview and introduction that you'll be working on this week. But be prepared to download PDFs each week and write out your step-by-step detailed solutions. Show me how you can do all the math, explain your work and things like that. And I'll be reading those over carefully and giving you feedback. Okay, so please reach out if you have any questions. You can reach out via email. You can reach out via this Canvas inbox, also called Canvas messaging. You can just visit me during my Zoom hours. My Zoom hours are listed right here, Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 3, and Thursday, pretty much all day from 9:30 to 3. Okay, so enough listening to me. Perhaps it's time to start working on the Canvas assignments for this upcoming week. Good luck, have a great semester, and please don't hesitate to reach out if there's anything I can help you with. Thanks.